at that. Well, you look at that. Oh, someone's sniffing around. What do you see, Preston? What do you see? What do you see, boy? What's all that? You don't like vegetables. Guess what's in here? Pork. Ah, we got pork. Got us some marinated pork, some plum tomatoes, a nice fat onion, and a couple jalapenos. Probably need 4 of those. Just gonna do some shish kebabs tonight. So I figured I'd video making of the skewers. And yeah, I'm gonna seed them jalapenos again like I always do. That's some delicious looking pork right there. Always like to start off with an onion. They're nice and sturdy and they'll seal the end off. Alright. Start off with a little bit of pork. Gonna put a jalapeno on there. And a tomato. Some more pork. Another jalapeno. Another tomato. Some more pork. I'm going to cap it with a piece of onion. Boom. Perfect. Right. That boy's flipped over. Real careful, like, you want to dump all your flavors off. Alright. All the neighbors are going to smell this. We're going to have to keep an eye out for them at the fence. You saw the name of the channel, RV Cooking, if you ever wondered what it's like. That sound you hear is the rain on the roof of an RV. But that don't stop us from cooking some badass food. Look at those kebabs. Woo. You can't forget that honey cilantro chimichurri that we made. Just put a little of that on top. And you can't go wrong with this. Talk about a rainy day treat. Look at that. Well, you look at that.